Hi, this is Dr. Clark on behalf of Richie Pereira and Mental Health and Life. Today we're talking about one of the most overlooked pillars of health, sleep. Here's the truth. Sleep isn't rest time. It's the single most important behavior your brain and body rely on to regenerate. When you sleep well, your mood, focus, and immune system all work better. When you don't, everything suffers. So let's break it down. The research is clear. Most adults need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep every night. Less than that on a regular basis doesn't just make you tired, it increases your risk of anxiety, depression, obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even dementia. The NHS has flagged sleep deprivation as a major public health issue. Your brain and body run on a 24-hour cycle called the circadian rhythm. This rhythm is guided by light and darkness. In the morning, sunlight tells your brain to stop making melatonin, the hormone that makes you drowsy, and it boosts cortisol and alertness. At night, darkness triggers melatonin again, telling your body it's time to wind down and sleep. But here's the catch. Modern life destroys this rhythm. Late-night screens, artificial light, caffeine, alcohol, and stress all throw melatonin out of sync. That's why so many people lie awake at night or wake up exhausted, even after 8 hours in bed. Melatonin isn't a sedative, it doesn't knock you out. It's a signal to your body that it's time to sleep. If you stare at a phone or laptop before bed, the blue light suppresses melatonin production. Stress keeps cortisol high, which counteracts it. And alcohol fragments your sleep so you never reach the deep restorative stages. Research shows that even 1 hour of screen time before bed can increase your risk of insomnia by nearly 60%. That's how sensitive the system is. Poor sleep isn't just about being tired, it changes how your brain and body function. Brain fog, poor concentration, and memory lapses. Higher risk of depression and anxiety. Disrupted circadian rhythms are a biomarker for both weaker immune system. Sleep is when your body fights infection and repairs itself. Long-term, increased risk of metabolic disease, neurodegeneration, and even certain cancers. The good news is, simple lifestyle changes make a huge difference. Get sunlight within an hour of waking. It resets your circadian rhythm. No screens at least 1 hour before bed. Protect melatonin. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. and cut alcohol in the evenings. Keep a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. Exercise during the day. It boosts both deep and REM sleep, the stages that clean your brain and heal your body. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. And here's the big takeaway. You can eat well, exercise, even take medication. But if your sleep is broken, nothing else works the way it should. Sleep is the foundation. So protect it. Treat it with the same importance as diet and exercise. Because when you get your sleep right, your mental health, your physical health, and your resilience all get stronger. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.